We're about to check out NewJeans Bubblegum just came out, official MV. I'm actually pretty surprised this came. You know what? I would listen. There's a lot going on in Hype. There's a lot going on. You know it. We know. We're not gonna act like it's the big elephant in the room. Like, okay, but what's gonna happen with NewJeans, etc., etc. You know, how are the girls? NewJeans Bubblegum came out. I'm pretty excited to check it out. I'm excited. Are you excited? Let's get into this. Let's dive in. NewJeans Bubblegum official MV. Let's go.
안녕, 난 혜인이야.
Hey.
오늘은 내가 비눗방울을
How to make bubbles.
가르쳐줄게.
Oh.
둘, 셋, 넷.
That old school flow. I like how it's like VHS, but it's 4K, 60 frames per second, but it's still with a VHS filter. Oh my God, her hair! Let her show her curls. Show her curls, y'all. Oh, her hair's so short too. Oh my God, everybody's hair is different. I mean, it's a comeback. Danielle's hair though. Ooh. It's like city pop vibe. Oh, is that a little? Oh, alright. I like the beginning already. The do 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 do. Marbles. Oh, what? Wait. Just having fun. Is that a flute in the background? Yeah. Ooh. The build up. Ooh, the ad libs in the background too. The vocals. Ooh, wait, hold up. Break down again. Oh, take me higher. Is this their official comeback? Correct me if I'm wrong, chat. I mean, I'm thinking like I'm on Twitch. Follow me on Twitch. Okay. Come through, ma'am. Oh. Ooh. Damn, the old school iMac. They really be doing like that old school 2000s vibe, Y2K vibe, huh? I'm curious to see like what else concepts they could do, but I guess within time, in due time. But I do like this. The bubble. She made a bubble. Everybody's like, wow. Not Danielle with the eye blinks. Aww. I was concentrating on the bubble, like the soap, but I just seeing her face in the background, like me, same. Oh, she tried. So everything's literally bubble themed. Oh, I do like the flute in the background. Ooh. It's a different vibe. I don't know what to expect for like the comeback, but I think that's the reason why I really liked NewJeans. Like, you know, like they just literally came in like a bolder with like a different style than what's happening in K-pop, and it's also a similar vibe, but like with attention, it just had this type of similar vibe, and that's why I liked about it so much. Of course, and everybody liked it about that so much, but like keeping that same feel, like I was very curious to see if they were gonna tackle on something different, but at the same time, this is such a good feeling song as well. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, what happened? There's a lot of reaction shots in here. Like oh. Like questioning, like that type of vibe. Oh yeah, the light stick. Ooh, a little. I didn't pop. Oh my god. Oh wow, the blinding light sticks. Oh my
너
god.
정말 잘한다. 한 번 더 해볼래?
Whoa.
넌 역시 짱이야. 나랑 친구할래?
Adore. It's quite interesting. The flutes, the bubblegum pop, the production, the vocals were dope as well too. I'm very curious of what you guys think. Put a comments down below what you think about NewJeans' bubblegum official MV. Be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Guys, I do have a Patreon. If you haven't joined in already, become a free member. Link in the description. Haeyeon's like intro and outro feels like, I mean, it's just a nostalgic feeling. Like it's like a message from a friend or kind of thing, because obviously it's like a VHS type of filter vibe. Hani's hair, it's a wig, I think, because they cut that ish pretty short, and I was like, I didn't say it, but I was like looking, I was like, oh my god, that they took off a lot of hair, but she still at the same time looks good in it. From what I've been told, it's a wig. Please correct me in the comments. Of course, curly hair Danielle, I love that. I'm glad that like they're embracing her curls. They really captured like the 90s, 2000, early 2000s feel. I feel like they're a master at that already. Did that thing. I enjoyed it. That was fire. Put a comments down below. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. This is your boy JRE from JREKML. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it. It might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.